Alrighty, g'day, and thanks for listening to or watching the BlockWeb Beat podcast, streaming live on Tuesday, the 21st of May at about 7 p.m. Australian Eastern Standard Time. On this week's show, crypto pumps again. The US Congress prepares for a crucial crypto vote. Quantum computing threatens crypto and blockchain security. The imminent release of both the Slough Starter City and the Gun Tech 2 game in the Upland Metaverse. Meta shuts the door on more features in the pursuit of AI. Dolce and Gabbana hit with a Metaverse NFTs lawsuit. Slop, the AI-fueled zombie internet. And it's time to believe the AI hype. That's not all. Animoca Brands Japan has some new digital collectibles to keep an eye out for. The future of NFTs meets in Switzerland. Web3 gaming surges with close to 1 billion in investments in April. And there's a new blockchain and MonopolyWEB3 game in development. Plus, as always, we ground ourselves with some real-world insights with a few doses of reality from the Meatsuitaverse. And that means it is time for the disclaimer.
Warning, the information and opinions within are solely for views of the individuals involved, contains content not suitable for anyone.
Definitely not suitable for everyone or anyone. Anyhow, let's start things off officially by taking a look at what's currently happening in some of the crypto markets. What did I say last week? 1 week we're up, 1 week we're down. If it's red, then Tron's green. If we're green, then Tron's red. And, well, what do you know? Same thing this week. So, yes, this week in the crypto market, the global crypto market cap has surged by 13%, rising from 2.27 trillion to 2.61 trillion this week, reflecting a general bullish trend. Bitcoin dominance saw a slight dip, edging down from 53.8% to 53.7%. The fear and greed index shifted from 55 neutral to way up to 70 greed, indicating increased market optimism. Bitcoin's price jumped up to, I should say, 70,931, which is a notable 12.7% increase, while Ethereum, holy moly, soared to $3,664, marking a significant 20.4% rise. Solana and Avalanche have also experienced substantial gains, climbing 19.1% and 20.2% respectively. Engine saw an impressive 17.5% boost, and Cardano also has increased by 13.2%. On the downside, as I said, my poor old Tron has dipped slightly by 1.2%, but overall, yes, the cryptocurrency market has showed some strong performance this week, with several of the major coins posting double-digit gains. I didn't have a look much further beyond the ones that I usually cover, but yeah, lots of green. Pretty cool stuff. All right, moving on to blockchain crypto news. A crucial crypto vote in Washington next week has the crypto market, including Bitcoin and Ethereum, on edge. I don't know about that because the prices are pumping. Anyhow, with prices climbing amid anticipation. Oh, well, there you go. Maybe that's the reason. House lawmakers are set to vote on the Financial Innovation and Technology for the 21st Century Act, which could reshape regulatory oversight for crypto. The bill aims to promote the Commodity Futures Trading Commission as a major crypto regulator, establish SEC oversight of specific crypto market areas, and introduce consumer protections for crypto custody and bankruptcy. The bill's passage is seen as vital for the future of the US crypto industry, with concerns over the lack of clear regulations prompting threats of abandoning the US market from some crypto companies. Despite old mate Biden's potential veto power, the bill's bipartisan support indicates a significant shift in the political landscape regarding cryptocurrency regulation. So yeah, that's probably at least somewhat to do with the current pump. Right, sticking with blockchain crypto news, in a recent lecture hosted by Ripple, Professor Massimiliano Sala from the University of Trento warned about the potential threat of quantum computing to blockchain security. Sala highlighted how highly advanced quantum computers could decode current encryption methods, posing a risk to blockchain platforms. He discussed the concept of Q-Day, when quantum computers could break traditional encryption, jeopardizing data security across various sectors, including emergency services, banking, and, of course, cryptocurrency. Sala emphasized the importance of developing quantum-resistant cryptographic systems and collaboration between blockchain developers and encryption experts to fortify systems against those potential future threats. All right, in Upland Metaverse news, now I didn't use the generic picture here. I let good old Dali have a crack at it this week, so that's what it came up with. In response to a surge in new users, Upland unveils its latest starter city, Slough, or however you say it, Slough, that's how I say it. Located in the UK, with a vibrant community and a rich history, although there's plenty of debate going backwards and forwards in general about just how vibrant and rich the community is over there. But anyhow, we plough on. Slough promises an exciting addition to the Upland Metaverse. Unlike previous launches, all property collections in Slough are disclosed beforehand. Well, unlike most previous launches, we should say there. This allows players to strategize their acquisitions if they happen to be awake at the right time when it goes live. The city will open with approximately 60% of properties available, featuring various neighbourhoods and collections, including exclusive and limited editions, I believe rares as well. As a designated FSA city, Slough offers equal opportunities for players to engage with terminals and landmarks, enhancing the gameplay experience. That's ChatGPT having some fun there with that, I think. Anyhow, registration for terminals has already opened. It's open now with sales starting on May 21st, which is probably at stupid AM tomorrow morning Australian time. Anyhow, with the majority of properties under the FSA designation, Slough presents an excellent opportunity for new players to build their portfolios. However, the stealth launch strategy means players must stay vigilant to seize the opportunity. Many in the Upland community, including eager players like myself, have already flocked to Heathrow Airport and London in anticipation of the stealth release. I'll be after a showroom property myself there, and I'll see if there's some juicy collections. But you know what this is designed to do, people. If you're out there and there are some juicy collections, don't forget we've got a Genesis City release coming up soon. So don't blow your whole bag on something that you might not really give to, you know what's about. Right, sticking with Upland news, Matilda Studios, known for their innovative gaming experiences, unveils the launch of GunTech 2.0 in Upland on May 23rd, just a couple of days away. With anticipation building, players can expect an exciting adventure in the world of Web3 gaming. GunTech 2.0 promises a gaming revolution featuring casual arcade shooter gameplay with single-device multiplayer and AI-driven opponents. Already available on various platforms like Xbox and Nintendo Switch, GunTech 2 is set to make its mark in the Web3 space in 2024. Additionally, Matilda Studios has teased the development of new dev shops in various Upland cities, sparking some curiosity and excitement among some of the Upland community. Of course. All right, what's happening in the wider Web3 Metaverse sector? Well, fair bit, apparently. In Metaverse news, other Metaverse news, Meta, which you would know, of course, is the parent company of Facebook, has declared the closure of its Workplace app and is shifting focus towards AI and the Metaverse. Workplace, designed as an online collaboration tool for corporate clients, will be operational until August 31st, 2025, after which users will have the option to transition to Zoom's Work Vivo platform. Meta plans to provide continued access to workplace data for approximately a year post-shutdown. This strategic move aligns with Meta's substantial investment in Metaverse and AI tech, reflecting its vision to redefine the future of work. They seem like they're just chasing the latest, greatest thing and losing a whole bunch of money in the process. Who knows? They might hit big with something yet. All right, speaking of losing a whole bunch of potential money, in other Metaverse news, Dolce & Gabbana faces legal action over a failed venture into the Metaverse, as a customer is suing the fashion giant for losses of 97% on purchased NFTs. Allegations suggest that promised digital outfits and associated benefits were delayed and rendered unusable, reflecting broader challenges in bridging traditional luxury brands with emerging Metaverse tech. Plaintiff Luke Brown seeks compensation, highlighting the risks and uncertainties surrounding NFT investments within the evolving Metaverse landscape, which is a reminder, do not invest more than you're willing to lose, unless you've got really good lawyers. All right, in AI news, now this is an interesting one. I haven't heard of this yet, so this is kind of pretty funny, this one. So yes, a new digital menace is on the rise. Slop in air quotes. This Slop is AI-generated content which is flooding the web, akin to spam in inboxes. As opposed to spam, Slop encompasses text and images churned out by AI models, saturating platforms with very low-quality, non-interactive content designed to attract clicks and ad revenue. Despite its pervasive presence, Slop's negative impact on user experience far outweighs its benefits, with tech experts coining the term and likening it to the spam epidemic. Concerns mount over its proliferation and the blurring line between human and synthetic content. As the internet grapples with this zombie presence, efforts to combat Slop's spread face significant challenges, with major platforms grappling to discern AI-generated content and preserve user trust amidst the onslaught. So yes, that's apparently the phrase they're going to use. It's not spam, it's slop. Funny, funny, funny. But on the flip side, in other AI news, recent events showcase the unrelenting progress of AI, debunking skeptics and reinforcing its transformative potential. OpenAI's unveiling of GPT 4.0 or 4.0 or however you're going to say it, which is a multifaceted model boasting natural interaction capabilities, and Google's introduction of Project Astra at I/O Developers Conference marks significant milestones. Despite critics questioning AI's advancement, demonstrations reveal unprecedented feats, from lifelike conversational chatbots to AI-powered visual recognition. The debate over AI's true impact persists, with some dismissing it as hype, while others champion its potential to revolutionise various industries. Amidst diverging opinions, tech giants intensify AI innovation efforts, driving competitive fervour and propelling the field forward. As AI continues to evolve at breakneck speed, its profound implications on society and the workforce remain subject to ongoing speculation and scrutiny, the article says. Link in the description. Now, yes, ChatGPT 4.0. I've been playing around with this for the last week at work and in getting ready for this podcast and whatnot. And you know what? It's ChatGPT 4 and this new 4.01. I don't think it's my laptop because everything else seems to work well. The massive lag on it. I find I have to open up a new tab and reload the same thing. It kind of just sits there lagging. So I've actually gone back to ChatGPT 3.5 for a lot of the generic stuff that I do. Obviously, the images, you need the upgraded version to do that, I believe. So yeah, still a lot of work to do there in the AI world, but it is some pretty amazing stuff that's going on. Right, in NFT news, Animoca Brands Japan, which is a subsidiary of Animoca Brands, collaborates with Quid, Q-U-I-D-D, to launch digital collectible cards based on the popular manga series Fairy Tail, T-A-I-L. Approved by Hiro Mashima himself, these cards depict iconic scenes from the manga and feature characters like Natsu, Lucy, and Happy. Sounds like a riveting manga, that one. Anyhow, available in various levels of rarity, the collection will debut on Quid's NFT marketplace on May 24th. So coming up in a couple of days here at 5 p.m. EST. Participants can choose from 3 packs options ranging from $1.49 to $3.49 and can access the drop through the Quid marketplace website or the app. Visit the Fairy Tail collection page for more details, or follow Animoca Brands Japan and Quid for updates. Links, of course, in the description. Sticking with NFT news, NFT Fest Lugano 2024, scheduled for June 14th and 15th, invites NFT and blockchain enthusiasts to explore the evolving landscape of non-fungible tokens. Held in Lugano, Switzerland, this annual event showcases the impact of NFTs in art and beyond, covering diverse topics within Web3 and blockchain applications. Taking place at Lugano's Town Hall and Pedestrian Island, the festival offers attendees a platform for networking, learning, and artistic discovery. Activities planned include panel discussions, digital galleries featuring exclusive NFT works, interactive workshops for NFT creation, and insights into investment opportunities and market trends. With support from the City of Lugano and international partners, NFT Fest Lugano aims to foster dialogue and innovation in the digital cultural sphere. For tickets and further details, of course, visit the official website, which is again linked in the description. All right, switching gears here as we go on over to the Web3 gaming news, I believe. Yes. In April 2024, blockchain gaming investment surged to $988 million, marking a record high since January 2021, as per the DApp Radar industry report. This substantial increase indicates a notable shift in the investment landscape, with 89% of the funds directed towards investment firms, 7% supporting infrastructure, and 5% allocated to Web3 games. The gaming industry, amidst significant turbulence and layoffs, experienced a crucial influx of capital. Concurrently, the report highlights the DApp industry's milestone of 10.6 million daily unique active wallets, with gaming maintaining its position as the most active product category. Gaming dApps witnessed a 17% increase in engagement, with Pixels leading in monthly unique active wallets, followed by Sweat Economy and Starry Nift. Additionally, Metaverse-related NFT collections led by Mochaverse demonstrated positive growth, indicating a vibrant ecosystem within Web3 gaming. All right, and in other Web3 gaming news, this is very interesting. This one, when I was getting ready for this show last night, I came across this and I shared it in general. I was like, "Ooh, this is kind of squirrely." So yes, in other Web3 gaming news, Box GameFi is leading a gaming revolution, apparently, by integrating blockchain technology with the classic board game Monopoly. And there's something about that sounds a bit familiar to me. Anyhow, this innovative platform bridges virtual and real-world assets, allowing players to buy and trade virtual properties that can be converted into tangible assets like real estate. The introduction of the platform's native cryptocurrency, MET, simplifies in-game transactions and enhances the gaming experience. Box GameFi aims to impart financial management knowledge to players while offering entertainment, garnering support from enthusiasts and investors alike. As the platform continues to evolve, it sets a new standard for game development, promising further innovations in merging gaming with the real economy. Wait a minute. Monopoly on the blockchain? You may remember that Upland was originally marketed as being Monopoly on the blockchain, and that is precisely the angle that hooked me in to try it in January 2020. It was literally advertised as Monopoly on the blockchain. Maybe not specifically by themselves, but that was definitely the vibe, and that was definitely the kind of headlines at the time. So the question remains, is Upland about to be officially usurped? Perhaps. But Upland, by and large, appears to have moved far away from all of that anyway, I would suggest. And it's probably just as well, considering how deeply ignored the property trading aspects of Upland have been for so long. Yes, we are still waiting for those long ago promised property management tools after all. 6th year of Upland development begins after Genesis Week, and still no property management tools and a property trading game, which is still what it's marketed as on the loading screen. Anyhow, so yes, I'm definitely, well, maybe I'm not. I'm definitely going to check this out as far as competition goes, but I don't think I'm in the market for another Monopoly on the blockchain one. I'll ride or die with Upland. Anyhow, that brings us to the end of the Web3 stuff, and time to wind down with a few doses of reality from the Meatsuitaverse. In the Australian Meatsuitaverse news, crocodile feet products. I didn't even know they were a thing myself. But anyway, crocodile feet products are being urgently recalled across Australia after metal was discovered in the product. The recall affects Australian crocodile traders 1 kilogram crocodile feet and 200 to 500 gram packs of crocodile bone-in leg feet and skin packaged between January 1st, 2023 and May 16th, 2024. If you got the stomach for it, click on the link on the description and go and check it out. It looks quite wild. Wouldn't mind buying a pack of those myself just to get the skeleton bones out of it. That'd be pretty cool, I think. Big bloody crocodile claws. Anyhow, consumers are advised to return the affected products to their place of purchase for a full refund and seek medical advice if concerned about their health. Crocodile feet are popular among dog owners as a healthy alternative to fish and chicken, with sales extending to New Zealand and other countries. There you go. I knew they made pig's ears and kangaroo tails and all sorts of stuff into dog treats, but apparently crocodile feet. What will they think of next? All right, moving on. In New Zealand Meatsuitaverse news, a man in Nelson has pleaded guilty to charges of intentionally damaging and refusing to give blood after a series of incidents involving police. Tasker initially refused alcohol testing and was later found throwing rocks at police vehicles and the police station, shattering windows. He was arrested and is set to be sentenced on August 20th. Oh, mate, well, he's kind of asking for trouble there, throwing rocks at the cop cars and at the cop station. Wacky do. All right, and lastly, but certainly not leastly, in Japanese Meatsuitaverse news, Japanese authorities have issued warnings after a series of wild bear attacks in the country's northeast, including incidents where police officers were injured. One bear was captured in Fukushima Prefecture, while others were sighted in surrounding areas like Akita Prefecture. The attacks have prompted officials to close off wooded areas, and they're advising residents to carry noise-making devices as a precaution. The rise in bear encounters is attributed to the diminishing food sources in their habitats, possibly due to climate change, the article goes on to say. Alrighty, and that is the beat for this BlockWeb week, and a glimpse into some of what's currently making news inside, around and outside of the Metaverse and in the Meatsuitaverse this week. if you come across a interesting article through the week and you think I'd be interested in it, sling me a DM. If I use it on the show, I'll get you some kind of prize as well, like I kind of do with the Upland Down Under podcast. And of course, if you'd like to get involved in any of the Upland Down Under entertainment productions, or if you have an Upland NFT or Metaverse product, service, or event to promote, then send me, Ben68, a DM and or get yourself in the NBA server, which is linked in the description. And let's see if this works when I press this. See you later.